Bioluminescent mushrooms like Armillaria millia or honey fungus and the newly discovered Roridomyces have the fascinating ability to glow in the dark due to a chemical reaction involving the enzyme luciferase at the compound luciferin, similar to fireflies. This enhancing light serves ecological purposes, primarily attracting insects for spore dispersal, while also possibly deterring herbivores. Found in dark, damp environments like forests, these glowing fungi can emit colors ranging from green to blue and have cultural significance in various folklore. In my habitat, Iran, Alborz mountain range, and in areas near the Caspian Sea, which are significant for their biodiversity and forest resources, you can find honey fungus.